At the Talk of Las Vegas, we support both Doctors Without Borders, and we strongly support Nurses Without Boundaries.
And Frank
With the Talk.
Las Vegas.
Are you kidding me? Look where we are today. We're down here at Crust, the Crust Pizza and Kitchen down here at Wigwam Pecos. And today we're making something that's new.
The one and only.
The
in
one
Las
and
Vegas.
only.
There's no other pizza like this in
Right
Las
here.
Vegas.
And you want to tell them what it is?
This is a Krab Rangoon pizza.
Krab Rangoon. And look at this right here on the menu. The brand new menu for Frank's. Frank's, the Crust Pizza. And look at this. We've got, we're doing the Krab Rangoon. And that's with the cream cheese, the mozzarella crab, and mozzarella, crab, crispy wonton, and sweet and sour drizzle. And he's got the
And something new. I'm going to use jalapenos too.
jalapenos, huh?
Jalapenos.
All right,
yes.
so now we got the dough
Not too
going
much
on there.
mozzarella.
And then we got that. Now this is a two-stage pizza. We cook a little bit of it at a time from past experience. And this is the sour cream.
Oh, cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
Our own
and he puts
recipe.
this all around there. And then he's going to put some green onions on there.
Now that's the second stage.
Oh, yeah, I'm just saying
Right.
when he is going to put it on there. And then we're going to put some sauce on there later on. So this is
And
now,
let's get some crab.
get the crab in there.
Get the crab in.
Now you say you dropped this pizza off to a restaurant, a sushi restaurant right across the street?
A Japanese steakhouse.
Japanese steakhouse. And what was the outcome on that?
They went nuts.
Nuts.
They went nuts.
And they ordered a second pizza from what I
Yes, they
understand.
didn't order. We just brought them in there.
I'm
They
telling
ate them
you.
so fast. Pretty amazing.
So if you've got a Japanese steakhouse that you want to add this to the menu, you got to come on down to the Crust,
They're Korean, Indonesian,
right?
Chinese,
Right.
and Japanese.
Right in the same place.
The same restaurant.
Right there, and they loved it.
They
So,
loved it.
so we're sticking this into a $600, $600 oven. Yeah, right.
There we
600
go.
degrees. So we're going to leave that in there for like 9 minutes.
9 minutes.
9 minutes, and then we're going to come back and do the second half of the, we got the sweet and sour sauce, you got the crispy noodles, you got those ready?
Yes, I do.
Everything's ready here.
It's
So-
kind of like we're a pizza place.
I know that's right. Efficiency down to the last wire. So come on down here. This is a part one of the Krab Rangoon. Krab Rangoon
The only
pizza.
one in Vegas.
So come on down, pick up the phone, give them a call. Call, click, or come on by to the Crust Pizza and Italian Kitchen.
Let's do some jalapenos.
Oh, yeah.
Due to time constraints, we move ahead in our program.
The final crab.
All right, we're moving over here. And this is the Krab Rangoon pizza we've been talking about. And
let's cut it
Gonna
first.
cut it first? Wow, that's a new step. Now he's putting jalapenos on there this time.
Absolutely.
Wow, where'd you learn to cut?
Look how fast that is.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, jalapenos first.
Look at this, huh? I like this kind
Jalapenos
of
first.
stuff.
There, I'll wash my
Now,
hands.
would you put other stuff on there too, Frank? Or just...
Not really.
Now, do they have jalapenos in the Krab Rangoon?
No, they do not.
So this will be a...
We like to do things a little different.
That's right, whether people like it or not. Put some green onions on there. And then we're going to put some tomato sauce on there, I
No,
believe.
wearing that tomato sauce.
Oh,
What
that's
are you
it, that's it.
talking about?
That's it, huh?
What are you talking about?
I thought you put a different sauce on there.
Oh, yes.
Oh,
do.
yeah, we have the teriyaki sauce.
Not teriyaki.
It's
Sweet and
sweet
sour
and sour.
sauce.
There you
You're
go.
going to get it eventually, right?
Oh, yeah. And now we will be doing crispy noodles, too.
Absolutely.
Positively. So if you're looking for the Krab Rangoon in your neighborhood, the only place you're going to find it is right here in the Crust.
And let's do the crunchy stuff.
That's
Oh,
right.
forgot my
Get the
crunchy
crunchies.
stuff.
Look at this, huh? This is what you call your Krab Rangoon. Krab Rangoon.
Krab Rangoon.
Put some crunchies on there. It's like
Nice.
going to an Italian Thai restaurant, right?
Yes, and actually this is a Thai pizza.
There you go.
This is not
So,
Japanese. This
Tie
is,
a ribbon around the old oak.
There we go.
Now we're going to pop this in the oven for about, what, 4 minutes?
About 0.
0 minutes, that's
It's
it?
done.
Done.
Just like that. It's
Oh,
done.
there you go. So if you're looking for the best
Just like that.
Thai-style Italian pizza in town, you gotta come in to the Crust Pizza and Italian Kitchen. This is Johnny
And Frank
with the talk.
of Las Vegas.